This video is going to show you how to access the new and improved resources on the Bridges homepage to allow you to embed some of these into your Schoology account. To access the website, click your Bridges icon in Clever. Next, you'll come to the Bridges homepage. At the top of the Bridges homepage, you're going to see a yellow box. Inside the yellow box, you'll see a link for resources and support for 2020 and 21. Click the link. Inside the link, you will come to your overview page. In this page, you will see many different links to show you what they've added to help you guide you through this school year. Click your grade level, and you're going to see many other resources. At the bottom, you're going to see a digital scavenger hunt, which I know some of you have completed. Inside each unit, you have a guidance and planning document. In this guidance and planning document, you're going to see recommendations on how to modify your units, how to re-engage your students, workplace ideas, and things for calendar. Here are ideas for calendar if you have a limited amount of time. The items listed here are the must-teach items that you will need for each of those months. Each unit has one of these. Also in here, you're going to see your screeners. These screeners were added to Schoology as a PDF because back in June, the Google form was not available. Now they've added the Google form that you can add this to your drive. You will make a copy of it. You will add this to your drive in order to get the link to add to your Schoology account. This is what each of the forms looks like for the students to use. Also in the resources page, you have the implementation guide as well as a recording sheet in the Google Doc. Several different ways for you to use the materials. Lastly, they have added technology enhanced activities. These technology enhanced activities, there's one per unit for weeks, for each week. These are available for you to use with your students. They are linked and they are hands-on. Just a great idea to bring these with your students to show them the technology items that they will see on state assessments. There are a lot of great resources in this Bridges website. A lot of it can be overwhelming. I am here if you want to meet one-on-one or as your team to go over what you're comfortable with one step at a time. Thank you.